everyone, I'm Dr. Khyati Vadher, an assistant professor in English at UGC Commerce College, Junagadh, affiliated to Bhakt Kavi Narsi Mehta University, Junagadh. I'm the participant of second online refresher course in English organized by UGC HRDC Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, starting from 3rd July 2023 to 16th July 2023. Today I'm going to deliver my presentation on the role of streaming platforms in language shift. Welcome to today's presentation on the role of streaming platforms in language shift. We will explore how streaming platforms influence language usages and contribute to the language shift. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Language shift, what it is. Language shift refers to the process where community or society shifts from using one language to another language over the time by watching certain video platforms. It often occurs due to various factors including migration, globalization, and technological advancements. An origin of streaming platforms. From the 1950s, magnetic tape video recording became the major contributor to the television industry via the first commercialized video tape recorder, Walkman, radio, VCR, Laserdisc, cable disc ruled till the end of 90s. In the 20s, the entertainment media shifted to CD, DVD, and MP3 players, but piracy nailed these formats and harmed the entertainment industry. Pirated CDs, DVDs, and MP3s were quickly sold in grey market. With the arrival of the internet and broadbands, this pirated business shifted to downloading and torrenting, but piracy remained a major issue for the entertainment industry. In 2016, Jio was launched and it brought a paradigm shift in the internet market. The availability of cheap internet pushed the popularity on the streaming platforms. This resulted in the decline of pirated market. There is no censorship in the streaming platform and this liberty is misused in some web series in the name of liberty and realm. During the COVID-19 pandemic, when all the theaters were closed down, streaming was the only available platform for the entertainment. Some of the popular web series in India are Special OPS, Gullak, Arya, Panchayat, Money Heist, Kota Factory. However, YouTube is one of the largest video platforms with maximum viewers worldwide. Streaming platforms and overview. Streaming platform is a renowned media platform that has rapidly become popular among all the generations of viewers. Video streaming platforms such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar, Jio Cinema have gained immense popularity in recent years in digital world. These platforms offer a wide variety of movies, TV shows, other contents, web series, and they can be accessed anywhere and anytime by the viewers. Global reach and accessibility. One significant aspect of streaming platforms is their global reach and accessibility. Like people from different parts of the world can access the contents in various languages. Language availability and subtitles. Streaming platforms provide a variety of content in multiple languages, accommodating diverse linguistic preferences. The availability of subtitles in different languages allows the viewers to understand and appreciate content in languages they may not be familiar with the other languages. Language exposure and familiarity. Streaming platforms expose viewers to languages they may not be encounter otherwise. Through the vast selection of contents, viewers can become familiar with the sounds, vocabulary, syntax, grammar of different languages. Language learning opportunities through streaming platforms. Streaming platforms unintentionally offer language learning opportunities to the viewers. Viewers can improve their language skills by watching contents in their targeted languages, using subtitles, and immersing themselves in authentic linguistic context. Influence on local languages. Streaming platforms can also impact local languages and dialects. increased exposure to dominant languages can lead to decrease in the use and vitality of local languages, potentially resulting in language shift. Kota Factory web series is a primarily uses Hindi with a natural mix of English and Rajasthani dialect. Cultural diversity and preservation. Streaming platforms also provide opportunities for the preservation and celebration of diverse cultures. Content in local languages and cultural context can be shared and appreciated worldwide, fostering cultural diversity. Panchayat web series primarily uses Hindi, with dialogues reflecting the rural setting and the local dialects spoken in the regional, which add the authenticity and capture the tones of rural life. This series beautifully portrays the cultural aspects and the challenges faces in the village setup through its language usages. The language used in the Panchayat web series reflects the cultural and linguistic diversity of rural India. Here are some aspects of the language and its analysis in the series. Hindi dominance. As the primary language of communication in most part of rural India, Hindi is the dominant language in the series. The dialogues are primarily in Hindi, capturing the essence of everyday conversations and interactions. Regional influence. While Hindi serves as the base language, the series also incorporates regional dialogues and accents to add authenticity and depth to the characters. Different characters speak in their native languages or dialects, showcasing the linguistic diversity prevalent in rural areas. Vernacular expressions. The language in Panchayat reflects the colloquial and vernacular expressions commonly used in rural communities. The characters use slang, idioms, and local phrases which not only contribute to the humor but also provide a realistic portrayal of rural life. Politeness and formality. The language used in the series also highlights the social dynamics and hierarchy within our rural community. Respectful and formal language is employed when interacting with the elders or individuals in positions of authority, such as village head or government officials. Humor through language. The series cleverly incorporates humor through language, utilizing wordplay, double entendre, and witty banter. The use of situational comedy, linguistic misunderstandings, and humorous exchanges adds to the overall comedic tone of the series. Overall, the language in the Panchayat web series captures the essence of rural India by showcasing the linguistic diversity, colloquial expressions, and cultural nuances prevalent in such settings. The phrase Gajab Bezati Hai in Panchayat web series, which become popular in memes and reels, has personified itself as a dialogue of any kind of humiliation. Youngsters use it in a common talk for any kind of insult and humiliation after popularity of Panchayat series. The phrase Dekh Raha Hai Vinod in Panchayat web series, which becomes popular in memes and reels, has personified itself as a dialogue of any kind of sarcasm and satire on any system. It becomes national memes for sarcasm and satire on Indian corrupt system. Conclusion. In conclusion, streaming platforms play a significant role in language shift. They facilitate language exposure, learning, and the spread of dominant languages while also contributing to preservation of cultural diversity. As technology and streaming platforms continue to evolve, it is crucial to monitor and understand their impact on language dynamics. I, Dr. Khyati Vadher, heartily thank to UGC HRDC Gujarat University Ahmedabad for providing me an opportunity to be the member of second online refresher course in English 2023 to 2024 batch. Thank you everyone for watching.